Hey everybody, today we're going to be pulling out a wheel bearing race out of a Harley mag wheel. This can be a frustrating process if you don't know what you're doing. If you watch my video here and you see how I do it, you'll see that it's actually not that hard with the right tools. This is a wheel bearing race. This is what it looks like once you get it pulled out. It's pressed in usually, so it's really tight, and it's tapered. The problem is you can't get behind it because there's an inner portion of the mag that's in its way. So to solve that problem, you can buy one of these guys, which is this is a steering wheel bearing puller, I think. I'll put a link down in the description. You can buy one on Amazon. They're about 40 bucks. And this makes this process really easy, okay? So if you do some wheel bearings, this might be worth it. Otherwise, you take it to a shop, to do this work. It's pretty expensive, so it's worth having one of these. All right, let's get started. You can see here, I've got propane torch, hammer, drift, steering wheel puller, all pretty much everything you probably already have at home. The first step is to insert the puller, tighten it up. But you don't want it too tight. Nice. You want to go all the way tight and then turn it back about a quarter turn. And then take your blowtorch, fire it up, and get this mag wheel nice and warm. Doesn't have to be real hot, but what I've discovered is warming it up makes a huge difference in getting these races out. I like putting the fire down into the crevices, and also while I'm at it, I might as well burn out all that Loctite that's in those bolt holes. See, that's how I'm going to reapply anyway. Good enough. Alright, let's grab our gloves, our drift, and our hammer. Let's get this bad boy out of here. Alright, so now that you got it up on our side, everything all warmed up, you're going to want to take your drift and your hammer, and you're going to slide the drift all the way through so that it's touching the puller on the other side. You don't want to hit the mag wheel. And then I like to just pinch the rim between my calves. Start tapping. More like start smacking that drift. You can see here we got the race out with the puller. She's out. And no damage to the mag at all. She came out nice and clean. That's how I like to do it. Makes it easy and simple. Remember, I put a link down in the description to buy this little guy. Super handy. About 40 bucks when I bought it, so get yourself one, save yourself a little money, and learn all about the pain in the ass that is removing wheel bearing races.
Thanks for watching. Check us out on Instagram at house__work. That's 2 underscores between those words. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button and leave us a like.